Hey, did you want to get dinner tonight?
Yeah.
What? I can't hear you. You're breaking up. I still can't hear you.
What? You?
When are you gonna get Verizon? Seriously, this is getting old. I can't even hear you. Dinner tonight. Okay. You know what? I'm done. I can't. The connection keeps breaking up, and I'm breaking up with you. Hey V-Team, we all know the heartbreak we feel when our friends and family tell us they're not on Verizon because we know there's so many reasons to switch. But with the Friends and Family discount code, you can help your friends make the switch. Friends and family can get up to $25 per month off new unlimited postpaid mobile accounts and $10 per month off Fios Gigabit Connection plans when they switch to Verizon Online. They can save even more when combined with the mobile and home discount, which gives customers with eligible mobile and Fios services added savings. Not to mention, they can get an iPhone 13 on us, or up to $800 to put toward a new 5G phone with select trade-in and select 5G unlimited plans. And with our 5G Get More plan, you can unlock up to $90 per month of value and the most popular entertainment services like Disney+, Hulu, ESPN+, Apple Music, and Apple Arcade, or Google Play Pass, plus 600 gigabytes of Verizon Cloud storage and Travel Pass. If you share your friends and family code, there's no way they can deny the switch. Here's how to do it. Every employee has a unique code that they can find on the About You page. You can find the Friends and Family page by going to About You, the For Me tab, and click the Friends and Family Program button. Once you get to the page, you should see your code. Click on the button depending on what code you'd like to share. And if you need a little help figuring out what to say, there's even a pre-written message with the link included, so you can easily start the conversation. Remember, you can share your code up to 5 times for both mobile and Fios home internet. Once you share your code, your loved ones can redeem it at the checkout page as a promo code. We don't want any more heartbreak. Share the love of Verizon with your friends and family this summer, and until next time, you're up to speed.